All right, welcome to lesson 4. So today we will build up on what we learned in the previous lesson. Okay? So in this lesson, we're going to learn how to play with a drummer, because the purpose of a bassist is to set the foundation for the song. That's why we play low notes, so that the song has a foundation to be built upon. Okay? And we are an extension of the drummer. The drummer plays the beat, and we play the drummer's pitch. Okay? We are like the drums, but with a pitch. So whenever the kick drum, so we follow the kick drum because that's the heaviest drum. Okay? So whatever the kick drum does is what we do. We just play the pitch of the progression. Okay? So we'll build upon the same song. I will play the song first, and then we will identify the kick pattern. And that's the pattern we will play. For a quick refresher, this was the song right here. Do, sol, do, mi, fa, sol, mi, re, do. Okay? So now we're gonna identify the kick drum pattern, and that's what we're gonna play. Okay? So let's do that first. Listen to the kick drum pattern. What do you hear? I hear this. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? That's the kick drum pattern I hear. So we're gonna play that. Fa, fa, fa. Do, do, do. So, so, so. Then when you see, so that's how you do it. You follow the kick drum pattern. So the kick was going boom, 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 boom. Okay. So then we play the kick drums pattern. Ba ba oh, oh, ba ba. Remember, I use the fingers for the frets, okay? The middle finger for this do, and the pinky finger for the sol, okay? Ba ba oh, oh, ba ba oh, oh. Because that's a kick drum pattern, okay? So let's do it again. Then we're gonna add the walking bass line after this one. Okay? Add the walking bass line. At the walking bass line, okay? Re mi fa mi re do mi fa sol mi re do mi re do mi fa sol mi re do. Okay, and then one thing I want you to keep in mind while you play this song and while you play any worship song is to keep the bass ringing. Okay, keep the strings vibrating. Do not do this. Then you leave it. Okay, you let it ring out. So fa 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 do 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 so 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 do. If you leave it, it won't sound good. Okay, if you do this, there you go. It won't sound good, okay? Because when you're in a room and you hear the bass playing, it should be vibrating the room, okay? And that vibration should keep going. It should not be stopping. You want to stop the string so you can set the timing with the drums, but you do not let it stop at the end of the timing, okay? You let it ringing, you let it keep ringing until it gets to the next progression. So fa fa fa, let it ring. Do do do, let it ring. So so so, let it ring. Do do do. Okay, so that's the lesson for today. Make sure you practice this song. Practice it more than 10 times, more than 20 times. Just keep playing it. By the end of these lessons, you'll be able to play the whole song. You'll be able to start doing licks and everything, okay? And you'll be able to improvise and do substitution notes and everything. So we will take the song throughout this whole lesson. Okay.